Each year, this natural wonder attracts thousands of visitors from around the globe, all drawn by its captivating beauty and sheer power. As you stand in its presence, you can't help but be reminded of the immense power and delicate balance of our planet. In the heart of Austria, nestled in the magnificent Hochtaunn National Park, lies a natural wonder that captures the imagination and leaves you breathless. Welcome to the Krimml Waterfall, a majestic cascade that's sure to leave you in awe. With its 3 impressive stages, the Krimml Waterfall stands tall, reaching heights that will make your head spin. The first stage tumbles down, painting the air with a fine mist, playful precursor to what's to come. Remember, in the embrace of the waterfall, you'll find more than just a sight to see. You'll discover a profound connection with nature, a reminder of our planet's awe-inspiring wonders. So, go ahead, chase the adventure, and let the Krimml Waterfall take your breath away. But don't be fooled by its initial grace. As we ascend to the second stage, the roaring power of nature truly reveals itself. A thunderous symphony echoes through the valley as the water plunges over the rocky ledge, captivating all who witness its might. But it's not just the height that mesmerizes, it's the sheer volume that will leave you astonished. The waterfall boasts an astonishing volumetric flow rate of 5 cubic meters per second, a pure, unadulterated natural force. And now, brace yourself for the grand finale. The third stage of the waterfall is a sight to behold. A breathtaking freefall of cascading water that descends a staggering height of 380 meters. So, whether you're an adventurer seeking adrenaline or a nature lover in search of tranquility, the Krimml Waterfall will not disappoint. It's a place where statistics and facts come alive, where nature's symphony is played out for all to witness. The highest waterfall in Austria, the Krimml, where nature's power and beauty collide in an epic symphony that will leave you forever changed.